Hi YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing a video using my Jaclyn Hill palette, which looks like this. And I hope that you guys like it, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite TV show is, and subscribe. And now, let's jump right into the video. So before I do my eye makeup, I'm going to do my face makeup, and I'm also going to speed up this next part since it does take a really long time, but I am going to tell you what products I'm going to be using. So for my primer, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and this is in the color Nude Beige. And then I'm going to leave my face unset so that I can do my eyes and put my concealer on underneath. Alright, so I just put my foundation on, and now it's time for the eye makeup. Alright, so I just did one of the eyes, and now I'm going to do the other one and show you guys how to do it. So I'm first going to take the color right here called MFEO and put this in my crease and blend it up to my brow bone. And now I'm going to take the color right here called Jax and put this more in my crease in the outer V and blend them out. Alright, and now I'm going to do a cut crease, and I'm going to do this using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And now over that, I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Faint, and put this where I put my concealer. And I'm going to take the dark burgundy color again and just blend these two colors together. And now I'm going to take the color Beam, which is right here, and put this on my brow bone. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows using my Anastasia medium brown pomade. And now I'm going to finish my face makeup before I do my eyeliner and lashes. So I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer again and conceal my under eyes. Alright, and now I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Now I'm going to bronze up my face using my terracotta bronzer. Now for blush, I'm going to use my City Color Be Matte Blush, which looks horrible. I don't know why I still have it. And I'm going to take the light color and try to add blush to my cheeks. Kind of works. Alright, and I'm going to do highlighter last since it is the most important step in my opinion. So I'm now going to do my eyeliner. For my eyeliner today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Alright, and now for my mascara, I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And also for under my eyes, I'm going to take the color right here again and put this on my lower lash line. And before I do my lashes, I'm going to put on my highlighter, and I'm going to be using the Varsali Jelly Beam Illuminator. And it looks like this. And I'm also going to put it on the nose as well. And now I'm going to put my lashes on, and I will be right back. Alright, so I just put my lashes on. And now I'm going to do my lip color, and this is a Revlon lipstick in the color Mango Blossom 705. Here it is. Alright, so now this look is complete. Anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!